TimelessTime is primarily a consulting firm. We work with managers, we analyse business problems, particularly where those business problems are associated with the people in the organisation and the way those people are organised. We're particularly interested in working with managers to realise practical, implementable business and organisational solutions and improvements.
We might help develop a firm's strategy, reporting it on a balanced scorecard. We might then go on to develop the manpower plan, determining the people needed and the organisational changes needed. We might then help the manager to restructure, making some staff redundant, retraining others and recruiting more. What we do very much depends on the needs of the client. We coach, we mentor, consult, train and support. The tools and techniques that we use will vary to fit the situation.
TimelessTime can help with any strategy, people or organisational subject. At the highest level, our aim is to optimise the relationship that our client managers have with their people in order that they get the very best out of those people. For the detail and what we would do, it depends entirely on the needs of our client manager.
If it's recruitment, we might start with a function model to explore the job description. If it's performance management, then we'll be talking to the managers about what performance means to their organisation. And if it's motivation, we might start by looking in detail at the jobs done.
Managers should use TimelessTime because we are ourselves highly experienced managers. We've downsized companies, we've upskilled companies, we've reorganised companies, and we've resolved innumerable people and organisational problems. We also have the very best academic qualifications, and that gives us a broad repertoire of possibilities and a broad repertoire of methods in order to resolve problems and realise improvement.
We won't quote for a job before we can actually see what needs to be done, so there's usually a lot of dialogue up front. And when we do quote, the quote is rich in telling the client manager exactly what we'll do together.